during the past year, the number of available Google Assistant headsets has proliferated. Unfortunately, this is not due to the success of Pixel Buds, but to several brands that add one-touch access to notifications and Google Search on Android. All these headsets now support Pixel Buds' real-time translation function. Pixel Buds was updated yesterday to see how Google Translate is available on all Android headsets and Android phones. This futuristic functionality was previously the hallmark of the Pixel Buds marquee when paired with the Pixel or Pixel 2. At that time, Google explained how Pixel's exclusive feature was initially due to the necessary audio route on the phone. A year later, it is available in all Google Assistant headsets and on any Android device with 6.0 Marshmallow or higher. Users can start a translation by pressing the Assistant button on their headset and saying "Help me interpret Spanish" or any of the 40 languages currently supported.